In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Voki, a wall wisher, or really just about any other web-based item into your Schoology class, provided it offers you an embed code. So most tools, Poplet, Prezi, they will all have an option which gives you an embed code, and as long as you have that, you're able to put that item into Schoology. So I'm going to go into my Schoology folder for the final project. And we always embed within a page. So I'm going to use the Add Materials button, and I'm going to choose Add a Page or Text Block. I've typed just a little bit of text on the page, and for fun I'm going to say that I want the Voki right here in the middle. I'm going to just show you how easy it is to stick it wherever you want on the page. So we'll first start with a Voki, and I will switch over to a Voki. I've already logged in and I've created a Voki. So obviously before you can embed an item, it needs to exist. Here's just a test little Voki, and beneath him is the option to publish. So I will select that button, and I can choose what size player I want, small, medium, or large. I'll go with medium. And this is the embed code. It's always between these two little caret brackets. And as soon as I click on it in Voki, it says it's copied. If you want to make sure, you can Control C, and again you get the message that it's copied. And then you just take that code right back to Schoology. And we can't paste the code on this view of the page because it is code. It needs to go in the HTML code viewer of the page. So you'll see a tab over to the right called HTML. Simply select that, and this is what your page looks like written in HTML code. And don't worry about any of the code, just go beneath it and paste in the code that Voki provided. Now I'm going to switch back to the visual view, and you can see that my Voki item is here. It's not where I wanted it to be, but all I need to do is just click the item and drag it up to where I'd like it to be. And in that way, you can just drag your item right up where you need it to go. So now I'll do the same thing just to repeat the process with the wall wisher. So here's the wired writing wall we did earlier, and I had embedded this right inside Schoology. To get that code, I went to the share option, and again, here's that embed code. I highlight it, copy it, take it back into Schoology, go into the HTML view. I always just go to the very bottom of the code so I don't break any of the HTML code. And I paste in my new code. Switch back to visual view. There's my wall wisher item. If for some reason this wasn't where I wanted it to be, I can click and drag it to a different area of the page. But I think that looks good. I'll go ahead and select the Create button. Here's my page within my outline view of Schoology. I want to see what it's going to look like to a student, so I'll select the title. And there is my Voki. And here's my wall wisher page. If I wanted to make any changes, again, I just go right back into the editing view. I can delete my items by clicking on the X, and I can go back into the HTML code and paste in new items if I'd like to.